Hi, welcome back. This episode is all about the financial side of this solar panel endeavor. I've spent a lot of time compiling data from my first 19 Park Power invoices and twice that number of invoices from my previous power retailer. So first I had to figure out how I was going to compare the two. I started with my Park Power invoices and found that they ran from May 2022 through until November 2023. So I went back through my invoices from my previous retailer and compared the most recent cycle of 19 invoices that also went between May and November, about 19 months worth. Yes, there are a lot of factors that can affect comparing from one year to the next, including how cold or hot the temperature gets outside, which in turn can cause your furnace or air conditioner to kick in, or how much cloud cover in the sunnier summer months. So yes, I recognize all of that. It's tough to compare year to year, but hey, we have to start somewhere. Once again, to give some context, we live in northern Alberta, Canada, in the capital city of Edmonton. But even though we're a winter city, we are also a sunny city. We're actually one of the sunniest cities in Canada, which makes us a great location for solar panels. We live in a 1,200 square foot bi-level single dwelling house. Our solar panel system is made up of 22 panels and is 9.35 kilowatts in size. In 2022, it cost us $21,700 to install. So before I got solar panels, what did my electricity bill look like? Well, in that time period that I mentioned, we spent $1,132.34 just on electricity charges. Then on top of that, we spent $1,515 on fees added to those charges on the same bill. So in total, we spent $2,647 over that time period. Now, more recently with Park Power, we spent $1,715 just on electricity charges, $1,276 on fees added to those charges on the same bill, and $2,992 on bill totals over that period. And we earned $4,078 from our solar panels feeding electricity back into the grid. 15,505 kilowatt hours worth. I just want to take a minute to thank Park Power for their continued support and sponsorship of this channel. I have been very happy in dealing with them as my own electricity retailer, which is why I wanted to partner with them. If you have solar panels, they are a great retailer who can help you realize and unlock the potential of your electricity savings that your solar panels can provide. For more information, check them out at parkpower.ca. Now, back to the rest of the video. I didn't just have $4,000 flowing back into my bank account. It was a mix of money applied to our bill and money that transferred into our account. In 2022, we received 2 refunds due to accumulated credit on our account from Park Power, totaling $929. In 2023, we received 1 refund for $636, which could have easily been 2 refunds totaling over $1,000 if I hadn't asked them to keep the second refund as a credit on my account. So that means that within the first 2 years of solar panels, I've averaged about $1,000 of liquid cash returns if I'm willing to pay 3 small power bills in the winter months. For 2022, those bills were $75, $62, and $76. For all of you keen budgeters out there, are you seeing what this does to help the monthly budget and bill planning? We have paid 3 smaller power bills in all of 2022, and we won't pay any in 2023. Because I accepted a payment less than $1,000 to carry me through the winter. Meaning, I have only paid money to Park Power 3 times over the course of nearly 20 months. I knew the panels were helping, but even I was surprised by that stat. So let's get back to what the panels have earned for me and money they have saved. They have generated a combined earning and savings of $4,078 over the course of 19 months. So if we take that $4,078 and divide by 19, we get a monthly average of $214. And if we divide our total cost of $21,700 by our monthly average, we come out with 101 months or 8 years and 5 months, without factoring in any grant money. But the grants that we did qualify for were $3,400 and $5,000 respectively, totaling $8,400. So if we subtract our grants from the total cost of our system, we are left with $13,300. And when I divide that by $214, I get 62 months, or 5 years and 2 months. I was initially told that it would take 3 to 5 years for these solar panels to pay for themselves. And this is at the high end of that, but I still feel pretty good about it. Breaking all of this down sure opened my eyes and helped me to see how this is worthwhile from the dollars and cents perspective. I really hope this was helpful to you as well. And just remember, this is just the start of the financial benefits. For us, it's a big one to get these panels to pay for themselves. But this means that after that happens, our energy rates will feel even more sustainable as we continue to draw a lot less power from the grid. On the next episode, I'm going to talk about one of the grants I received, what I missed by accepting it, and why I wish I actually never got it in the first place. So make sure you like and subscribe to make sure that you see it, and let me know in the comments what you thought of this episode. See you soon.